Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are seeing a login failed message in Runna, it's usually caused by incorrect credentials, connection issues, or accounts mismatches. The good news is that most login problems can be fixed in just a few minutes. Okay, so in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the login failed issue in Runna in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, why login failed happens. So common causes include wrong email or password, using the wrong login method, internet connection issues, app not updated, temporary server issues. So most problems are caused by incorrect credentials. So first thing you can do, check your internet connection. So make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is on. Open another app or website. Try logging in again. So Runner requires internet to log in. Okay, you can also check your login method. So open the Runner app or the Runner login screen. Try the same method you used before: Apple ID, Google account, or email and password. Using the wrong method causes login failure. Okay, there is another fix. You can reset your password. So for example, tap forgot password into your email address, check your inbox and create a new password and log in again. Okay, so use the most recent password. Okay, you can also restart the app. So close the app completely and reopen the app. Okay, and to try logging in again. This fixes temporary glitches. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.